In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal donate link and a PayPal donate button in just a few steps. This is a fantastic way to engage with supporters, allowing them an easy method to contribute financially to your cause or project. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official PayPal website by going to paypal.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, usually found at the upper right corner of the page. You'll need to click on it to access your PayPal account. Key in your email and password and press login again. After successfully logging in, PayPal might prompt you for two-factor authentication. This is an additional layer of security, and they will typically send a text message to your registered mobile number. Choose whether you'd like to receive this text via WhatsApp or regular SMS, and follow the instructions provided to complete this security check. Once you pass the security check, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. From here, direct your attention to the settings gear icon. Clicking here will pull up a menu with several options. You want to look for the option labeled Seller Tools, and go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Seller Tools section, scroll until you find the PayPal buttons link. PayPal offers a variety of buttons, but for our purposes we want to create a donate button. Click on PayPal buttons and then you'll need to tap on Make a PayPal button. This section allows you to customize the button to suit your needs. After proceeding to the button creation page, among the options available, click on Donate. Choosing Donate will customize the button specifically for collecting contributions. You can personalize aspects such as the button style and suggested donation amounts, enhancing the donor's experience and making the process user-friendly. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a PayPal donate link and button. This tool empowers you to easily receive donations from anyone, anywhere, ensuring that your supporters can contribute to whatever cause or project you are championing. Just remember to share your new donate link with your audience on your website, emails, or social media platforms to start receiving donations right away. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for our next video with more simple yet powerful digital solutions to enhance your projects.